Hey guys, so today I'm going to install the shift knob and the shift boot, and I'm going to take you guys through the process, what to do, and the steps to do it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to lift it from here, and this should pop out like so. Let me get that out of the way. Pull that up. Then next we're going to put some screws over there, right there. Then there's a zip tie holding this. If this was never opened, there's a zip tie. So let's start on that. Alright, so I just saved some time. There's 6 screws. There's one here, one up there, one right there. Remove the wires so it's easier to get to. Then after you do all that, this should come down. All this should just pop out like so. Then you have your little boot still there. You can take all this out, just put that on the side. And plus, sorry if it's dark, I'm recording on my phone. My GoPro doesn't have the SD card. I'm not sure where it is, I have to find it. So that's why it's kind of dark in here. And I'm recording at night, it's like 10:40 or something. So, I believe you just turn it, but I think you gotta, because you turn it, this whole thing turns with it. So I think you have to grab it from down here and up here and just, yeah, I don't want to bend. Let me figure this out. I heard these are a bitch to get out. Like you have just like yank at it, like turn it really hard. So I'm gonna try to get this out. So be right back. Alright, so this is pretty hard. And what I'm gonna show you, you're probably gonna I kind of already ruined my shift knob. It's coming apart. Yeah, so what I was doing, I put a little towel over it, and then I just put this on there and just went to town, squeeze it really tight and just start turning, and the shift knob should start turning, or you can try to do it by hand, but it's really hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it off and we'll get to the next step. Alright, so I did get it off, but I'm warning you, if you're gonna do this, you're probably not gonna use this again, because I did fuck it up a lot. Yeah, you see that right there, and the whole leather's like messed up now. So just a little warning before you guys do this. This will probably happen to your shift knob. Oh yeah, oh, look at that. Hey, just coming apart. All right, so just gonna put that on the side. We got the shift boot right there. A little plastic in it. You can probably take that out and put in the new one, I'm guessing. So, something fell in there. So, you see how all this has cuts and stuff. I believe this one doesn't have anything. I believe we have to cut it out or something. Let me check. Maybe. Let me put this together, and I'll let you guys know if you need to cut it out, because this has like cutouts and the new one doesn't. It's just, so let me check that real quick. All right, so I took this inside so I could just do it easier. So how this works is there's a hole here. I'm just gonna punch out each hole, and those holes are for the screws. So you can just match it up like that, so when this goes on top of it, it holds it down, right? So I'm just gonna match up that one, this one with that one, and just cut the holes. So I'm gonna put a nail through it. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll tell you guys if it worked. See how it turned out for me. So yeah. Alright, so I want to show you guys what I'm doing. So I tapped the first hole with the nail, right? So I put a screw through there so I can hold it. Then what I'm going to do, the second hole is right there, so I'm just going to mesh this up to the top. Like so. See, they're flush together. Then I'm going to go through the back. And just put the nail through, hold it all together, make sure it doesn't move so it's not messed up. And just put the nail through. There you go. So I'm just gonna continue that. I'm probably gonna keep this. I brought another one too, so I can just hold it in place so I know it's not moving around and stuff. So each hole will be similar to the factory holes. So I'm gonna continue that all around, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so I put all the holes in. So you look at it, it's pretty similar to stock. I just, for the bigger holes, I just tap the hole. So it's like a starting hole when I put the screws through. I'm gonna assemble it in here inside. I took it apart outside so it'll be easier to get to the ship knob and everything else. Well, you have to open it up to get the ship boot. So yeah, I'm gonna assemble this in here and then take it to the car when I'm done. And I'll show you guys this assembled. So before I put that on there, I'm just gonna let you guys know, I'm not actually gonna use those holes I drilled out for those. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Because you see how the stock one has bigger holes for that right there. You see? I'm just gonna leave that like that. I'm not gonna cut out big holes for it. There's really no point. You can just go around it. You know, just leave it like that. So yeah, I just put all those in, they mashed. And make sure you guys want it, because you see how this has like that, and so I didn't want to look at that, so I kept it this way so it'll look nice. So just make sure you have it sitting the right way, because you see this side has the holes more separate than this side has holes closer. You see that? And so just make sure it's the right side before you guys poke your holes and put it all together just in advance so you don't mess it up, you know? So yeah. Alright, so I came across one more thing. When I was trying to put them in, the screws, this was blocking it, so what I did, I just cut it and made like a relief so I can just tuck that around it if you guys want to do that, or yours will come out better. But yeah, so that's what I did. I just did a little relief on these back too. These ones are alright, they're not really in the way. So yeah, so I put all the bolts in, and so this is how it looks. Pretty clean, pretty nice. So yeah, that's how it should look. Put my name in there, no one's gonna see it, so I just thought that'll be funny. But yeah, this turned out perfect. Hope your guys' does too if you guys are doing this. So yeah, let's go install this on the car. Gonna put that. Alright, so before I put the boot on, this was on here. It was actually this way, like this. So, and what this had was the zip tie around the boot, if you remember. So we're gonna take that out, flip it, make sure it's this way, and we're gonna put this around here, push it down, whatever. And then we're gonna get this cloth, like leather, gonna get it around, right? We're gonna get it all the way around it, and we're gonna put a zip tie on it, like the factory had it on there. So I'm gonna do that and show you guys how it looks after. So yeah, just pull that through and then put that around it, like wrap it around. I'll show you after I do it. All right, so you can see I got that on there, zip tied it, so it looks very tug in there. So just flip the boot back. So now it looks like that. You can put this all back together. So stick the wire back in, and then Let me do that real quick. Alright, that was kind of annoying. So you just have to get that inside. Then I put the knob a little bit through. Just flip it down. There you go. Make sure it's down. So I don't know. I'm just going to push all this down because it's kind of awkward. Pretty sure it'll probably form in place over time. But this is how the stock one was. Everything was like down and like that. Kind of clean. So let's put that on there. There we go. Here, let me straighten this out. Keep going. Make it tight because you don't want this to slip when you're racing a Hellcat. All right, damn, look at that. Oh, fucking heavy, dude. This is a heavy knob. 610 grams, I believe. But yeah, there you guys go. Thank you for watching. See you guys next video.